There are a couple of withdrawal pros showing on the screen right now, and if you take a proper look at these withdrawals showing on the screen, you'll see they are withdrawals which was made from gold funded free prop firm account. And of recent, I made a video about gold funded accounts, gold funded prop firm, which are actually giving out a free prop firm account. Now, today's video, you'll be getting a free 25k instant pro account, and you can see right here on the screen it says free instant pro 25k account for free. The prop firm that will be giving out this free account is also a little bit similar to gold funded, so you need to pay close attention to the details. Now, if you know you're just coming across this channel for the first time, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Having something like this, you just need to click on the subscription button, and after you're done clicking on it, then it will bring you to this section we are having the video. And before you start, don't forget to give this video a like, and in case you're having any issues with any aspect of the video, leave a comment in the comment section, and to every single comment I see in the comment section, I always give you a reply to it. All right, so without wasting any time, the first thing you need to do, there's a link in the comment section. You click on it and it takes you to the Telegram channel where you have something like this on the screen. So you click on this right here that says join below, and you join the Telegram channel so you don't miss out anytime I drop new update on how to claim a free forex deposit bonus and free profit accounts like this. Now, so once you join the Telegram channel, also in the Telegram channel, you'll be seeing a link that will take you to the site where you'll be able to claim the free profit account. So once you click on the link, it takes you to a site showing details like this on the screen, and getting to their main page where you have details like this. There's a lot of information about the site on their main page. You can actually take your time to go through the details showing on the screen right here. You can see it, and more details about in case you want to get an account from them. There's full details from the main page. So what you need to do without wasting time, click on the three lines at the top, because you actually need to first create an account with them, and then click on login showing below right here. Now once you click on login, it takes you to a section where you need to log in, but since we don't have an account with them yet, you need to click on create one. You can see it showing below, and once you click on create one, then it shows us details like this where we need to fill in our information for registration. Now you can see where you put in your first name, your last name, input your email address and the country where you're from, and don't forget to put in your mobile phone number, and also create a password. Now click on register after filling every single details correctly. Make sure you fill the details correctly, and don't forget the password which you use in creating the account. And also click on this box right here to verify that you are human, and you click on register now. Once that is done, the next thing is for you to actually log in into the site. Now make sure you actually click on this box right here to verify that you are human, and after filling your details, you'll be logged in into the site like this. Now we have this right here. This is what the site looks like, and there are two aspects in this site I'm actually going to be explaining, which is very important. Firstly, on how to get the 25k free profit account, and also how you can actually benefit in case you join their trading competition. So to get more details, click on this icon right here above. Then you'll be having options like this about new challenge accounts, and among these options showing here, you need to click on Aqua Point. Now you can see that's the third option showing on the screen. Once you click on Aqua Point, it will show you details just like this. Now you can see right here it shows tax, and right here there are a couple of tasks which you can actually complete. You actually complete these taxes to acquire some points. And if you take a look at these taxes right here, there are actually some tasks I don't expect you to complete, but there's a total number of tasks which you can actually complete, and you don't need to complete all the tasks to be able to unlock the 25k account. There are some tasks which are very easy to complete, and all you just need to do is to just complete the tasks and upload the screenshot in this section that says upload screenshot, and a link of your Telegram or maybe your Twitter account, which depending on the site which you use to complete the tasks. Copy the link to your social media account and come back here to paste it, and then click on complete tasks. You can see it showing right here. Now there's also an important aspect of this site you need to fill in, which is very important, because if you don't actually fill that aspect, you won't be able to submit your link in this box right here. So you can take a look at the tasks available to participate in free trading competition. You also get a 30 point for that. And also I'll be explaining details about this competition at the end of the video. And also you can see you can post your phase 2, post a certificate of you completing a phase 1 or phase 2 for any of their trading accounts. Subscribe to the Aqua Fund YouTube channel, and also join their Discord. You'll get a point for that also. Now, if you scroll up, there are more tasks you can actually, easy tasks you can actually complete to get points. Now you can see if you actually follow their Instagram account, you get 20 points. You follow their Twitter account, you also get 20 points by. All you just need to do is just accumulate enough points to be able to unlock this 25k account. So once you're done accumulating the points, you scroll up back and you see this section that says reward. Now once you click on reward, it will show you details like this, and you can see to get this 25k account you need a total of 1,500 points. Once you're done completing the task, make sure you are able to accumulate 1,500 points. Now if you're not able to accumulate up to that, you can also get a free 5k account for just 800 points, and also a 10k account for 1,000 points. Now you can see right here there are also free accounts to get, but some other accounts are actually 3-step challenge. But for the instant ones, those are the ones which I actually mentioned earlier. Now for the 50k account, you need a total of 1,400 points, but it's actually a 3-step account. And also to get a 50k instant pro account, it also you need to have accumulate 1,700 points. Now you can just take your time, go through all the accounts which is available, and see the one which you can claim depending on the amount of coin you are able to accumulate. Now once you come back to this section, I mean the home page, by clicking on the icon above. Now if you take a look at the top, you see this icon which you click on, the icon which you click on that give us the options right here. So you click on it, and then you click on this section that shows your name. Once you click on it, it shows settings, and immediately you click on settings, you click on this place that says social. Now you can see social, this which is the third option. You click on it, and there's a section right here where you are asked to fill in the link for your social media account. Now if you are adding the link to your X account, you add the link to your YouTube account, you add the link to your Facebook account, also you also add the link to your Discord, your Instagram account. That's when you'll be able to complete the task which is actually given, the task which is actually required for you to fill. Now you won't be able to complete these tasks if you haven't added the link to your social media account to that settings right there. So once you come back here, this is what I used to do. I just copy the link right here, the name right here, and take it to my Twitter in order for me not to follow a wrong account. So you copy this name right here and then take it to Twitter, paste it right there, and it will show you an account of this person right here, the person you are asked to follow. Then you follow the person, just copy this name, take it to Twitter just like I did right here. You can see the steps showing right here on the screen. Now once you get to Twitter, you just paste it in the search section by clicking on this icon right here. Click on it and then you paste the name which you copied. Now immediately you paste the name, it will bring the account of the person you are required to follow. Now just follow the person, take a screenshot of the task which you just completed, and go back to the site. And also don't forget to copy the link to your Telegram to your Twitter account. And right here you just need to click on upload screenshot, add the screenshot you need to upload right there. So upload the screenshot, and right there you paste the link to your Twitter account, and then you just need to click on complete task. Now once all this is done, you just need it will show you pending, and after they are done verifying that you completed the task, you'll be given the points which is required for the task which you actually completed. Now another aspect which is very important you need to be aware of from this site, which I feel it will benefit every single person that participates, is for this section. Once you click on the icon above, just click on competition. Now take a look at the details which I got from this competition. Now if you click on the upcoming, now you can see it has not started, which will be starting in 11 hours based on the time which I created this video. Now once you click on it, you can see the details. The competition haven't started, and it will be starting, which is tomorrow. Now you take a look at it right here. When I checked the price which you'll be getting in case if you participate in the competition. So if you click on this right here that says price, you can see the entry fees is actually free. Now the price for the first person will be getting a $1,000 reward for the first position, and also with a $200k free funded account. And also for the second place, you'll be getting a 100k instant funded account with a $700 reward in cash. And for the third place, you'll be getting a 100k instant funded account with $300 reward in cash. Now for the fourth to fifth person, you'll be getting a $100 in cash with a 50k account, instant funded account. And from the 6th to the 10th person, will be getting $50 in cash with 25k instant accounts as the reward. While the 11th to the 20th person will be getting a 10k instant funded account the 24th to the 30th person will be getting a 5k instant funded account. While lastly, 50 random participants will be selected and will be given a free 5k instant funded account for free. While all participants, you can see right here, all participants will get 5k pay after pass account. I don't know what that means. I know every single person who participates in this competition will be getting rewarded. Now you can see right here, you're not actually missing out on anything. Just make sure you participate in this competition. In case if you actually miss out on the main aspect of this video that says you can actually get a 25k free instant account. Now I actually hope everyone understands every explanation which I made, and in case there's an aspect you don't understand, just leave a comment in the comment section and I would gladly explain and help you solve any issues you are having. So I hope everyone understood. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, give this video a like, leave a comment in the comment section, a good and encouraging comment to actually make others know that you are able to get this account. Have a nice day, guys.